Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ALIFF bin Abu Talib, and today I'm with my friend Abdul Malik Marasu bin Samsudin. I'm going to present about palm oil production in Malaysia for our Petrochemical and Petroleum Technologies assignment. First and foremost, we will take a look at Malaysia as one of the largest producers and exporters of palm oil. As you can see from the data, Malaysia is the second largest producer of palm oil in this world. So as of 2024, Malaysia has about 5.9 million hectares of oil palm plantations, producing about 19.86 million tons of palm oil annually. So the country is a major global exporter, accounting for 8.4% of the world's oil and fats production. The palm oil industry plays a crucial role in the Malaysian economy, supporting over 500,000 jobs and contributing to the livelihoods of approximately 1 million people. The industry not only drives economic growth but also provides a significant source of employment in rural areas. Its widespread impact extends to communities where many depend on palm oil cultivation for their income. Despite concerns over environmental issues, the sector remains as an important pillar of Malaysia's agriculture and export sectors. So, how important is palm oil to Malaysia? So, Malaysia is the second largest producer and exporter of palm oil in the world after Indonesia. And in 2022, Malaysia exported about 15 million metric tons of palm oil and palm-based products. The total value of these exports was approximately about 137 billion Malaysian ringgit, around 31 billion US dollar. And palm oil also contributed about 35 billion Malaysian ringgit to Malaysia's gross domestic product (GDP) in 2022. The industry plays a key role in economic growth, supporting agriculture, manufacturing, and global trade. And palm oil also provides millions of jobs directly and indirectly in plantations, mills and trade in Malaysia. So as can be seen from this pie chart, about 2.6% of Malaysia's total exports is of palm oil based manufactured products at about 32.7 billion ringgit. And moving on to the next one, which is crude palm oil processing, or CPO. So there are about 7 processes exist within the crude palm oil processing, or CPO, which is the first process is the sterilization. So the sterilization happens when palm bunch is sterilized using saturated steam. So the purpose of this process is to prevent enzyme lipase from affecting the free fatty acids and soften the palm rachis to ease pulp separation. And the next process is the threshing. So the sterilized bunches are sent to the threshing stage. The fruits are then separated from the rachis using the rotating drum powered at 5 kilowatt. And the third process is the fruit digestion. The fruits first are reheated in the digestion stage to help expel oil. And the equipment used for this process is digestion equipment with 10.5 kilowatt of power. And the next one is the oil extraction process. So the digested fruits are pressed in a horizontal perforated basket to extract oil, and the liquor containing a large amount of oil is obtained. Next, the oil purification process, or clarification and centrifugation. So in this process, it can be divided into 2 stages, which is the clarification stage. So in the clarification stage, water is added to the liquor to help separate the oil. Up to about 90% of the oil is removed and sent to the drying process. And then the second stage is the centrifugation stage, which is heavy sludge from the clarification is sent to the centrifugation, where an additional 10% of oil is recovered. And the water and heavy sludge are discarded recovered oil is sent back to the clarification stage for further purification. Next, the sixth process is the drying. So in this drying process, the oil undergoes the drying to reduce moisture and impurities. And drying occurs under vacuum conditions where reduced pressure causes remaining water to evaporate. And last but not least, the last process is the storage. So the final dry palm oil is stored for further use.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will continue what I have discussed about this presentation. So for the factor affecting quality of CPO, we have free fatty acid FFA content. The level of the free fatty acid in the crude palm oil is a key indicator of its quality. High FFA level indicate hydrolysis of triglycerides, which may cure due to poor handling or prolonged storage. And the second one is the color factor. Is the color of CPO is an important indicator of its freshness and purity. Fresh oil from a ripe fruit typically has a reddish orange hue, which can change its oxidation and contamination. And the third one is taste and odor. So specifically for the sensory property such as taste and odor are also crucial in grading palm oil, especially for the food grade oils. Oil with rancid or off smell are considered poor quality. And the last one is the moisture content. Excessive moisture in CPO can promote microbial growth, leading to spoilage. Hence, oil with a moisture level above 0.3 to 0.5% is generally considered low quality. So for the refining factor, we have the palm oil refining process. For the first one is the crude palm oil. That is go to the degradation process using phosphoric acid and hot water. That we use deacidification by now and decolorization to make it become clay. After that, we filter it to become waste clay. After that, we deodorization it until it becomes the RBD palm oil. So, what is the suitable person for this job? Is suitable for the chemical engineer. As you can see, it's process optimization to optimize the extraction and refining process for a better efficiency and quality. Design system to reduce energy consumption and operational costs. And after that is environmental sustainability. As we know, to develop green technology to minimize environmental impact, create a system for the waste management, converting effluent into biogas, and improve water and energy recycling, reducing waste and emission. And lastly is the product refining and quality control. It plays a key role in refining crude palm oil into a product like cooking biodiesel, and specialty fat. Ensure product quality through techniques like fractionation, bleaching, and deodorization involved in grading and analyzing and chemical composition of palm oil. After that, it has its own waste. It's palm oil waste utilization. It wastes to energy. Palm oil mills produce large amount of biomass waste, empty fruit bunch, palm kernel shell. The chemical engineers are involved in converting this waste product into the biogas for the energy generation, reducing environmental impact and creating additional revenue stream. After that, a biodegradable product. It waste from palm oil production like palm oil meal influence POE can be treated and converted into valuable byproduct such as biofertilizer and biodegradable plastic. So this is for our reference, as you all can see, to make this slide and research. So that's all from me and my friend. Thank you so much.